Ready your transmitter. Insert for AA battery. Install the stick knob. Receiver connection procedure. Organize the 5 wires from the reflex. Then route the aileron Y harness to the opposite side for later use. CH1 aileron. CH2 elevator. CH3 throttle. CH for rudder. CH5 mode. Ensure proper plug orientation with the yellow wire on the left. Binding procedure. The receiver usually comes pre-bound from the factory. To rebind, simply follow the next steps. Propeller removal eliminates injury, risk during unexpected motor spin-up while binding. Insert the binding wire into the BVCC port. Connect the battery and power up the receiver. The receiver's red LED now flashes rapidly. Press and hold the binding button on the transmitter, and then turn on the power. The receiver's red LED now flashes slowly. Unplug the binding wire. Reboot the transmitter. Now receiver's red LED remains solid on. Wait 5 seconds for reflex to run self-check. When you hear beep several times, that means your transmitter is all set and connected. Connect the aileron Y harness. Make sure the wire color matches. Let's make sure your wings and tail move the right way like the video shows. If the controls are reversed, just flip the reverse switch for that channel. The last step, throttle calibration. Disconnect the battery. Turn on the transmitter and leave the throttle at its maximum position. Connect the battery again. When you hear a quick beep, move the throttle stick all the way down immediately. Feel that smooth throttle, all calibrated and ready to go. Reinstall propeller. Orient the propeller with lettering facing outward. Install washer and nut. Then securely tighten using appropriate tools. Finally, attach the spinner collar.